Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see for our motivation the 7 days of creation. First day, what God created? Light. Second day, God created sky. Third day, God created plants and trees. Fourth day, God created sun, moon and stars. Fifth day, God created birds and fishes. Sixth day, God created animals and man. Seventh day, God rested and God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it. See, now I am going to take you to a tour for a forest. See, it is a horror forest. The third day creation is trees. Isn't it? Yeah. We are going into the forest. See, it's a horror forest, you know. Wow, I got scared, pa. Oh, somebody is there. Shade is there. It's amazing, no? Yeah. Today we are going to listen to the topic trees. The topic we are going to see is trees. The poem trees. Yeah. Trees are useful in many ways. Like it gives us wood. It helps in the construction activities. It helps to make carts. Lot of things. It yields fruits. It is used as medicine. The flowers are used as medicine. See, first we are seeing banyan tree. Have you seen Adayar banyan tree? Yeah, it is very famous in Chennai. Adayar banyan tree place. See, the banyan is the largest of trees. That means the banyan is the largest of all the other trees. Okay. If you have chance, you please go and visit Adayar banyan tree. It is very famous in Chennai. What is this? People leaf. People leaf. Okay, why I have given people leaf? See here. The people quivers in the breeze. Quivers means shakes. The people tree shakes quickly in the breeze of the wind. That's why while sitting under people tree, we will get very nice breeze. Quivers means shakes quickly. This is coconut tree. What are the uses of coconut tree? Coconut tree is used in many ways. See, first one, tender coconut. We are drinking tender coconut. Then it is giving coconut oil which we are applying in our hair. Then coconut milk, coconut powder, chocolate, coconut chocolate. Everything is made from coconut. This is coconut burfi. This one coconut broomstick, dry coconut broomstick. This is floor mat, rope and cleaner, coconut cleaners. This is floor mat and the coconut industry, how they are making mats and rolls of door mats. The coconut grows up straight and tall. See, the coconut tree looks majestic, growing up straight and tall. Thus, it is useful in many ways. Coconut is used in many ways. Even, what is this? This is neem tree. What is the use of neem tree? Yeah, we'll see. We'll get neem oil. Neem oil is used for use on roses, flowers, fruits and vegetables. See, in all the vegetables and fruits, flowers, roses growing, while it's growing, they are applying neem oil. Then neem soap and neem toothpaste. We are also using neem toothpaste and neem soap. So the neem tree's fruits are very small. See, tiny. The neem tree's fruits are very small, tiny. See, the neem tree's leaf is used in medicine also. In lot of things it is used as a medicine. During chickenpox time, even our grandparents use this neem leaves. They used to grind the leaves and they will put as a medicine. See, what is this? Tamarind tree. See, the tamarind gives us pleasant shade. See, pleasant means enjoyable. See, there is a saying in Tamil, Veilin arumai nilalil theriyum. See, here the tamarind gives us enjoyable shade to relax. So, while we are sitting under the shade, we will enjoy the pleasant shade. Okay, pleasant means enjoyable. What is this? This is dates tree. We are eating lion dates, no? Yummy, yummy. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The leaves of the date tree are as sharp as a blade. See the leaves? It is very sharp as a blade. What is this, children? Teak tree. Yeah, what are the uses of teak tree? Just recollect, see. The teak tree gives us useful wood, which is, see, the dining table, what you are seeing is made out of teak. The sofa, everything is made out of teak. See, the teak tree gives us useful wood. That means the teak tree gives us wood which is useful for all of us. The heaviest wood among all other trees is teak only. People will choose only for teak wood for making furnitures. Do you know that? What is this? I guess it is a mango tree. Yeah, the mango gives us fruit that is good, while the mango tree gives us fruits which are good and tasty to eat. How many of you like mangoes? Yummy, yummy mangoes. Even I too like mangoes. Salem is famous for mangoes. See, this poem is written by Sarah Coleridge. Sarah Coleridge was born on 23rd December 1802 and died in 3rd May 1852. She was an English author and translator. She was the third child out of 4 children. Her father name is Samuel Taylor Coleridge and her mother name is Sarah Fricker. She gained further popularity with instructive verses for children. See, she has written lot of verses for children. She is famous for children writing. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.